Here's Lucky, the feral cat. The cat who accidentally killed Lucky 2. And there's his enemy right there. His enemy waiting for him on the roof. That cat just about killed Lucky already. But Lucky doesn't see him. He's right there. But Lucky doesn't see him. There's that cat spying. A much older, bigger cat, by the way. This cat is several years old and a lot larger and more experienced in fighting than Lucky. That was Lucky's first fight, and that cat bit Lucky on the base of his tail, right where the tail begins. And he's watching Lucky right now, this feral cat. This is in Guaymas, Mexico. And Lucky is from Tijuana. Lucky is several months old. He did well, though. He did well. He fought well. He came back in now. Yeah. He senses something's wrong. He can smell the cat right there, but he hasn't seen him yet. So, this is the world of feral cats. Just wanted to tell you. There's a world of feral cats. The music is unmonetized, by the way, YouTube, or anyone who listens. And there goes the cat. He feels like his cover is blown, so he's out of here. Probably gonna climb down the tree or however he gets down. Lucky never did see him because he's a young cat. He's not fully awake yet. I'm not 100% observant. So there we go. There's Lucky with the triangle on his face. He is clean. He's clean. Those are just the colors, his natural markings. But this is like a teenager feral male cat, and that other one's a full-grown adult. The black one that just disappeared. That's the life. These male cats, they fight all the time. They might fight every day or several times a day. So the females tend to have a place. They're here too, but they're usually at a place, typically with humans if possible, or they have their like cat house location somewhere. And that's what I'll be making, is a cat house. They'll still be free, and they'll be unsterilized, because I'm not promoting Adolf Hitler and Nazi Germany sterilization. I don't promote that. and this cat is free to go, but he prefers to be with humans. This human, and that's where it's at right now in Guaymas, Mexico.